Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX50 Sensory. INFINITI did a couple neat tweaks for the 23 model year. This one here is 57105 as tested. Hermosa blue over the brand new pebble gray interior, which we'll get into. Also has your crossbars. There you go. Nice suede accents have been brought back to the Sensory trim. Bose Performance Series audio is standard on Sport and above. Sport replacing the Essential trim and adds a new front fascia from the QX55. You also have cubic design headlights that are adaptive. They turn with the steering wheel. Pebble gray replacing the wheat interior. Powertrain remains the same, 2-liter turbo 4, 268 horse, 280 pound-feet. CVT transmission with manual mode to work through 8 different ratios. A round view monitor comes up here. We are in sport mode. We have personal, sport, standard, eco, back into sport. Panoramic sunroof. Visors are sliding. All right, let's go for a drive. Also new is a wireless charging pad, which is very welcome. Heads-up display, love it. Plenty of information. You have your ProPilot Assist information on there, speed limit, your current speed, and that's all adjustable through your settings for this multifunction display. Spent the weekend with this car, actually. Didn't drive it yesterday. I want to keep the miles as low as possible. But took it Saturday night. It's now Monday morning. So spent a weekend with it, essentially. I love it. The little tweaks that they've done, especially the suede, coming back to Sensory. It was available with the with the graphite interior on 22. You got the suede accents, but it wasn't available with wheat. Now with wheat being gone, it's on both graphite and the pebble trim. So you can get all Sensories come with suede now, which is very welcome. Because at this price point, any little touch to add luxury is very, very welcome. Listen, I'm not a fan of CVTs. I personally wouldn't buy one, but this is kind of changing my mind. This powertrain works perfect together. It's a variable compression and a variable transmission. So this car has split personalities. It can be perfectly sporty, and the engine can take a ton of boost with that 8-to-1 compression, but it can also be fuel efficient on the highway for long journeys. So it's really the best of both worlds. And I think people are kind of looking over that. Handling, it's stable. I wouldn't say it's as sporty as the previous gen, but the compromise that the previous gen had with a very rough ride is gone. So this is a much more comfortable car, and this powertrain works pretty well to have fun while driving, you can work this manual mode. Matter of fact, I'll do that now. Once you start using the paddles, you can have a good amount of fun here. One thing I've always noticed too, if you're in manual mode and you keep the revs pretty low, there is a ton of turbo noise. I'll also say I was a fan of the wheat interior, and when I heard they were getting rid of it for Pebble, I said customer's gonna be upset, and I think there's a few wheat lovers that are kind of be like, after spending time with this, I like it more. I definitely see the direction they're trying to go. They're trying to make it feel more modern, whereas wheat kind of aged it a little bit. It's like, listen, it's a new interior, let's try it out, let's see what the reception is, and then go from there, and that's precisely what they're doing. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.